So I know we just talked about silver premiums, but this is a different kind of premium. In my hand are some Bradford Exchange Silver Eagles, and I'm going to show you exactly how expensive these things are. Now, we are over on Bradford Exchange's website. I want you to take a look at what they're actually doing here. So as you can see, they are offering the complete American Silver Eagle dollar coin collection. Now, if you take a look at this in detail, it's $119.99 each issue. That means every single one of these in my hand originally cost whoever bought them $119.99. Now, it could have been a little bit cheaper when they bought them, but either way, you can see what they are actually selling these things for versus what they actually go for in real life. So $119.99 each issue. And what's really crazy about this is they even offer installment payments of $40 a month. So you can buy each one of these one every 3 months for $40 a month, which is what you should be paying. You should be paying less than that for just a single one of these. Instead, you're making 3 installments of $40 a month. So I'm going to go a little bit more in detail here with this because it's absolutely crazy. And believe it or not, this right here is proof that people buy these. Now, of course, the ones in my hand, I did not buy from Bradford Exchange. I bought these third party and I paid way less than what they are selling them for. And additionally, I'm going to go ahead and give something from Bradford Exchange away. Don't worry, it's a real coin and it's real silver, but it will be free, and I'm going to tell you about that. There will be details in the description below, but make sure you subscribe so you have a chance at that. And again, check out that link below for that giveaway. Also, don't forget to check out our channel sponsor, SD Bullion. They are also doing an awesome giveaway of a full monster box of American Silver Eagles. Look at this. How would you like to win 500 Silver Eagle coins just like this guy?
Yeah, this is Kevin.
Hi, Kevin. This is Dr. Tyler Wall, CEO of SD Bullion. I'm calling you to let you know that you won the SD Bullion giveaway of a monster box of 2022 Silver Eagles.
Unbelievable. That is awesome.
If you want your chance to be like Kevin, make sure you head over to sdbullion.com/silverseeker and enter today. So as you can see, we have a whole lot of these. Now, like I said, I did not pay $120 per each one of these. Unfortunately, somebody did. And these aren't really even, that old. So it wasn't like they bought these, 10 years ago. And a perfect example of that is if we find the 1986 in here, which I saw earlier, and I should have set aside. But on the 1986, I should say, it actually says, here we go. It says first year of the original reverse. In other words, when this one was made, they already knew that the Type 2 was coming out, right? So these are recent. In other words, these were probably bought for $119.99 a piece before they got to me. I did not pay anywhere near that for them because I know better, but unfortunately there are people that don't. So let's take a look back at the website and look how they hook you into these. We'll look at the description. So look at this. It says right here, one of every American Silver Eagle dollar ever issued from 1986 onward, each containing 1 troy ounce of 99.9% silver. It says we expect subsequent coins in the collection to be priced the same. However, the price is subject to adjustment if required based on material market. I don't know how high silver is going to have to get for them to up these, but I imagine that they will at a much lower than $119.99 a piece. It says right here, they talk you in, the only official silver bullion coin of the United States, the American Eagle silver dollar contains 1 troy ounce of 99 silver. Now own these American treasures with the complete American Silver Eagle dollar coin collection available in an exclusive presentation from the Bradford Exchange Mint. This exciting American Eagle silver dollar coin collection begins with issue 1, the 2023 American Eagle silver dollar. Next, you'll receive issue 2, the 2022, so on and so forth. Issue 3, you'll get the 87. Notice that they skipped the 86. You don't get the 86, as the first old one. 87 is because 86 is a better year. Of course, we have the 86 in this mess, but that's because he got a lot of them, and so the 86 will eventually have to come. Eventually, they'll have to give you the $60 coin for $120, right? Eventually, they're going to have to do that. Instead of giving you the $30, $35 coins for $120, they'll have to eventually give you one of the $60 ones. Oh my goodness. So after issue 3, you also get a really cool display box. The display boxes, to be fair, are nice looking. They are cheap wood, but they do in fact look nice. I've seen them before. We don't have one here. If we look at it up here on the screen, though, you can see it's like a cherry wood with the Bradford Exchange. They're nice, but again, the whole idea is they hook you in with getting the whole set. They're really hard to get 1 year of any mint. Of course, they're saying any mint from the first year 86 onward. And then if you scroll down here, it even says a once in a lifetime collecting opportunity full of historical significance and potential value. I like how they put potential there because they know that you are getting nowhere near the value that is these are being sold for, because they are, at the end of the day, just 1 ounce circulation grade, or in other words, business strike Silver Eagles. That's what you're getting. You might get the 86, you might get the 96 eventually. Well, you will get the 86 and you will get the 96 eventually, but you will not get them until you have paid $120 for a bunch of $35 coins before you even have a chance at getting the $60, maybe $70 ones. And you'll still pay too much for those. So just try to imagine what a full set of these things would cost you, right? I mean, just for one tube, 120 times 20 is $2,400. You're going to pay $2,400 for one roll of Silver Eagles, and that's not even your entire set. By the time you get this entire set done, you will have paid like $5,000 for the entire set of Silver Eagles, and I guarantee you, you can get the full set of Business Strike Silver Eagles for a lot less than that. And of course, this isn't the only US coin they do this with. We've done videos in the past with Morgan silver dollars that they put in the wrong slabs, labeled them incorrectly, and so on and so forth. For example, this 2006 here is actually a W. It does in fact say it's the first year of issue burnished Silver Eagle, but it doesn't mark that it's a W. So I'm happy that it's an 06W. I'm not mad about that. But they don't even put these things, they don't label them correctly. And like I said, this one right here is an 86, first year of issue, or first original reverse. So these are recent, like this person got this collection recently, and they certainly paid quite a bit of money for them. I don't know if they paid, $120 a month or $40 a month, and it took them forever to get them. But either way, they paid a lot. And this has been done before by the Bradford Exchange with Morgans, with Peace dollars, and a bunch of other US coins as well. So, I mean, things like this, you guys know better. Like, I'm not talking to any of you that don't know any better. Stay away from stuff like this. It's really not worth buying. And, other than that, if you see them out in the wild, if you see them, at a thrift shop or at a coin store selling for cheap, then sure, pick them up. If you like, at least this slab is a piece of plastic that protects the coin, but it certainly doesn't add any value. So guys, I did say I was going to be giving away a silver Bradford Exchange slabbed coin, and I am. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. We're going to be giving this away to one of our subscribers. It's a 2006 S San Francisco. It says proof. It's not a proof. It's definitely the uncirculated. What? But we are going to be giving this away anyway to one of you guys. So make sure you subscribe. I'll put a link for the giveaway down below, and go check that out as well. And thank you so much for watching this video and my other videos as well. It really means a lot to me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and learned a little bit, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic rest of your day.